Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of New Zealand dollar US dollar for 18th March 2021. So this analysis is for 18th March only. I'll be coming again tomorrow with the analysis for 19th March. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, then please do subscribe for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So we can see that right now market is trading at 0.7215. Okay. And if you're a fan of New Zealand dollar US dollar, then probably you hate me because I've been telling to avoid New Zealand dollar US dollar for quite some time, because we all know it very well that it was in a range. After that there was a good breakout, but with the same speed it came down again, and again it is in the still the same range it was trading before this breakout. Okay, and you can see that not much has changed yet, and I have drawn two lines here. Okay, I have drawn two lines, and if you have watched my previous video, then probably you have short the market here and you're already in a profit right now. Okay, and if you have short the market, then you're in a very good position right now. Enjoy the profit and be on the trade. Okay, and if you have not, then you need to wait for these two lines. Okay, so this green line is a support, 0.7100. Okay, this support this is an extreme support for the market. Okay, in case market comes down to this particular level, then just observe the price carefully. If you see that price is bouncing off, and there is a high probability and high chance that price will bounce off, because market has extreme support available at 0.7100 in this green line. Okay, and if market bounces off, then just observe carefully. Okay, with the you'll be seeing price rejection from below in the form of a hammer. Okay, hammer price rejection from below, or a big green candle like this. Then you can easily go for a buy here. In case market crosses the level, then make sure that, okay, in case market crosses the level, then make sure that the price is being supported by good amount of volume. Okay, and wait for at least 4 hours. Okay, so I do not think so market will cross this level very easily, so I'm not going into the detail. On the other hand, if market goes up again, okay, in case market goes up again, then just observe how the price reacts once it hits the resistance 0.7271, or this level 7269. Fine, same level. This level is very important for the market. Okay, because market has reversed from this level again, and there is a chance that market will be facing some resistance again if market goes up. In case market goes up and faces resistance, just wait for the market to react. In case you see that price is struggling, okay, if you see that price is struggling, then, and if you see a price rejection from above, shooting star kind of a pattern, okay, price rejection like this or like this, you can easily short the market again in this resistance. Or in case market crosses this level, okay, then I'll tell you not to buy. Okay, because market is having a second resistance here again. So in case market crosses this level, then also do not buy. Okay, just in New Zealand dollar US dollar, just you need to look for selling the market. Okay, because market is in a range and was in a range also in this range. So look for two opportunities. If market goes up, look for shorting the market here, and in case market goes down, then look for buying opportunity here. So this is the simple analysis for New Zealand dollar US dollar for 18th March. Hopefully you've understood, and if you watch my previous video, then you're in a good profit right now, I guess. And see you tomorrow then, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist, and if you want to know more about me, you can also visit my website. Thank you so much and good luck. Bye bye, see you tomorrow, and do not forget to subscribe.